the digit 4 from 3. Okay, so, but we can't subtract 4 from 3. 3 has to become greater. We have to subtract a number greater. We have to subtract 4 from a greater number than 3. Meaning 3 has to borrow. From the next place. You must borrow from the next place, okay? Now, usually when we borrow, we X out the number, we put a cross, I'll put a line through here to say that that's 0. But it's really not necessary, because 3 is going to become 13 anyways. So since we already have 13 there, we subtract 4 from 13. Okay? Which we get is 9. Okay? 9. Now to show you what I did mentally, we X out that becomes a 0. X out the 3, that becomes 13. So now we're subtracting 4 from 13. Of course, that's 9. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay? Some people may get impatient. They say, what are you talking? You know, you have to take patience. That's why many people fail in math. It's not that people are bad in math. A lot of people say they don't act like math. It's just that you're very impatient, is what it is. So I humbly say to people that you all need to practice patience. Okay. I want you to go on to on my site and look at the part where it's talking about numbers added to 9, because that's important too. You need to know when numbers added to 9, or I guess I can just show you. Next we're going to do 130 minus 4. We're also going to do 23 minus 4. I'm just writing those so I don't forget to talk about them. Alright, now, what I want to show you, you need to know, alright, 9 plus 1 equals 10. Or 9 plus 1 equals 10, okay? And 10 minus 9 equals 1. See? It's important to know what the result is when you add a number to 9. Many mistakes are made when people are subtracting from 9, adding to 9, or subtracting or adding 9 to or from a number. Okay? I'm just gonna 9 plus 2 equals 11. 9 plus 3 equals 12. 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 5 is 14. 9 plus 6 is 15. It's important to know these because, for example, let's say you have 15 minus 6. You know that's 9. You already know that. Or if you have 15 minus 9, you know that's 6. Okay? 9 plus 7 equals 16. 9 plus 8 equals 17. 9 plus 9 equals 18. If I have something like A plus B, many people say, why are we using letters? What are the letters for? What are the letters for? So the letters are to express. The letters are simply to express the form and the changes in a form and an expression. We use the letters to express that. So we're going to show you. I'm going to show you that here. Okay. So for example, we're going to start by showing you, let's say, 1. 1 equals 1. Okay, or so the number 1 equals 1. Okay? We know that, right? 1 equals 1. So if we add a number to both sides, we're going to get the same. The equality is going to remain true. So here, this is called an equation. It's called an equation. An equation is a statement that two expressions are equal. Okay, when we perform the same operation on both sides of an equation, the equation remains true, meaning if it was true to begin with, so we know that A equals A. If I take A, or if I add B to both sides of the equation, then the equation will remain true, or the equation remains balanced. Okay, and this is true. See, if I was here, if I say A equals A, and I only add B to one side of the equation, then this equation here is not true. So we're going to start, and this is just a lesson. We're going to go through, show you how to do a little bit of rearrangement using this format. Now, let's say we have 1 plus 2 equals 3. Okay, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Okay?